Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX.com. This is the next video in my day trading series, and on the screen we have a WavEFX chart, which is my preference in reading the faster price action. The fastest price action I'm looking at, of course, is the black line, and that's what I'm going to use as my trigger. The trade itself that I'm looking at is the momentum that has started down there. We've had a push up and a pullback, a push up and a pullback, and I'm expecting another push to complete this trend continuation pattern. The pound is really leading the way on this trade, and even though we still have a lower low and a higher high at this brown level, the euro dollar and the pound dollar do like to follow each other, so I am expecting that to push this trade. Now, we've had quite a significant little cluster happen right here, and the last battle that we had around here was when this area was rejected right there, and then it was broken. So this is a really good active zone, a good place for this to be happening. Now I'm going to use the trade manager just so we can judge our risk reward and take care of business in a set and forget fashion. The trigger that I'm going to use is this simple WavEFX trigger, where if this high is broken, then we are going to have an equal or higher low followed by a higher high. So that gives me momentum and direction. Just call that a P buy, that's a pending buy. So if price crosses that, then we're going to enter the trade. If price goes the other way first though, then I want that line to remove itself from the chart and really the trade to be void. Spelled that wrong, there we go. So the X buy is in place right there. If the trade enters, I want a stop loss, and I'm going to place that just below these peaks right here. And I'm going to want to take profit, and I think this is a busy area, and this sort of reconfirmed that area. So although I am expecting a higher high due to the pattern that I'm trading, I'm going to shoot here and keep things conservative. Okay, we can quickly judge our risk reward, and we notice that the stop loss is 15 and the take profit is 28. So a nice risk reward. We're getting close to the 1 to 2. I do expect a little tiny bit of slippage, it's quite probable, so it will reduce slightly, but this is a nice level of risk reward that's happening with this trade. Now, if price doesn't quite get to my target, I don't want it to turn around and be a loss, so I'm going to put my safety net in there of this break-even point. And I'll just pause this video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, the trade has entered. The time of entry is when the trade manager emails you to let you know. And I see that nothing really changed. We didn't have any more congestion before this trade triggered, so everything's still as I was expecting it to be. And the next juncture will be once we hit the break-even and or the take profit. So I'll pause the video and we'll get back to it then. Okay, this trade hit the break-even marker. I notice it's gone very close to the take profit there. I'll wait and see if this latest push up is going to continue the theme of that black line of higher highs and higher lows, and we can make it to take profit. If not, I'll probably just move my stop loss here and start trailing that. We don't want to give anything back really. So that's fine now, and I will get back to this video at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has gone to take profit, so the trade is over. Successful trade. This is what I call a trend continuation pattern, and this is just a quick intraday trade. These things don't take too long, and we can take care of it in a set and forget fashion using tools like the trade manager.